Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today, I am going to show you how to germinate lychee seeds. Lychee tree is subtropical. It can be grown in warm USDA zones 10 to 11 only. First, we need to collect some fresh lychee seeds from fruits. Each lychee fruit should contain one seed, generally shaped from round to oval. Peel off the yellow to red skin outside the fruit first. Now take off the white fruit flesh to get to the seed. Clean off all flesh to avoid mold growing in the future. Soak the seeds for about 3 days. Here are some seeds collected. We use a white mesh nursery bag to hold some soil and sand mixture. You can use any other flowering pots as long as it is at least 3 to 4 inches deep. White mesh bags are great because they are biodegradable, and don't need to be removed before planting the young, rooted plant into its permanent location in the garden. Make sure soil is about 3 to 4 inches deep so roots have room to grow. Now place the seed into soil and sand mixture. In general, seeds should be about the depth of double the size of the seed. Don't place the seeds too deep as it will be hard to germinate from too deep. Compact the soil above the seed. We put the whole thing in a plastic tub. Water a few times to make sure soil become moist, but not dripping wet. Seeds may float up by water. If so, push it back down into soil again. Water once a week is needed.
We use a grow light to help plant germination and growth. These seeds shall grow in about 3 to 6 weeks, depending on temperature and the amount of light they get. The ideal temperature for germination is 75 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Here are some seedlings we were able to germinate from lychee seeds earlier. Thank you for watching. Happy gardening!